subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Health benefits of rosemary. Number 1. Breath freshener. As a natural antibacterial agent, rosemary works as a wonderful breath freshener that improves oral health. Steep rosemary leaves in a glass of hot water and then gargle or swish the water in your mouth to remove bacteria and give you naturally fresh and clean breath all night. Number 2. Enhanced memory. Rosemary has been considered to possess memory improving qualities. Now, studies have found that rosemary has D-terpene known as carcinic acid, which has neuroprotective properties that scientists think might protect against Alzheimer's disease. This also includes the ordinary memory loss that occurs when one ages. Remarkably, even the scent of rosemary can serve to enhance memory. Number 3. Immune system strength. The active components in rosemary are antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-carcinogenic in nature. This represents a three-pronged attack against many different diseases and pathogens that could threaten the immune system or damage the integrity of the body. Antioxidant compounds form a secondary line of defense behind the body's own immune system, and rosemary contains a significant amount of those powerful compounds including rosmarinic acid, caffeic acid, betulic acid, and carnosol. Number 4. Prevents high blood sugar. Diabetic people can use rosemary to regulate their blood sugar levels. Rosemary extract can lower fasting plasma glucose and cholesterol levels, which helps manage type 2 diabetes and other metabolic conditions. Drink a cup of rosemary tea daily. When taking this herb to control diabetes, make sure you keep monitoring your blood sugar levels. Also keep taking your prescribed medicines as directed by your doctor. Number 5. Detoxify the body. Rosemary is somewhat diuretic in nature, which means it can help to flush out toxins more efficiently during urination. Additionally, by increasing the rate at which water leaves the body, it can also help push out pathogens, salts, toxins, and even additional fat when consumed regularly. In terms of the particular organ it benefits, rosemary has been associated to lower levels of cirrhosis and a faster healing time of the liver, which is one of the slowest organs to heal. Number 6. Great for your hair health. It isn't astonishing that this perfumed herb, when put on, the hair can supply an individual with wondrous results. Rosemary controls oil production within the entire scalp, therefore it helps against dandruff. To provide your hair with a gleaming luster, use 1 part rosemary oil to 3 components coconut oil and massage greatly into your own scalp for a calming effect. Number 7. Respiratory health. Rosemary is a great natural remedy for respiratory problems. Breathing in the scent of the essential oil may help with congestion due to colds, allergies, respiratory infection, and the flu. You may also boil fresh rosemary in a pot of water, place it in the bowl, and breathe in the steam to help clear the lungs and throat. This will also help with any sinus or head pain associated with respiratory conditions. Number 8. Anti-aging. Rosemary is used as an ingredient for making anti-aging skin. This is because it lowers puffiness, brings about cell regeneration, as well as promoting a well-toned skin. It also comes as an anti-inflammatory agent, not to mention that it boosts flow of blood to the skin. Number 9. Stimulates circulation. Rosemary has been shown to increase the blood flow to the head and brain, improving concentration and providing nutrients to the cells that require repairing. Thank you for watching.